Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today I'm going over my keto diet. This is going on 8 weeks now, me being on keto, and I have not weighed myself yet. I weighed myself last week. I'm still at 10 pounds lost in 2 months on doing keto, but I feel like I lost a little bit more. I probably lost more weight than that, but my clothes feel much baggier now, and I feel great. I feel wonderful now. You know what I'm saying? I feel great. The one thing about this diet that I look at the most, more than weight loss, more than eating healthier, more than anything else, is the inflammation has gone down so much in my body. So in my past videos I told you that in my left knee I have osteoarthritis in my left knee. I'm at a young age, and I was taking glucosamine and fish oil to manage the pain. It don't be bad, but still I still have it. It flares up here and there, and then I'll boil my free time, and I'm sliding with my left knee, and then after a while I'll put all the pressure on it hurts. But ever since building this diet, my pain level's been really low. Like, it's been really good. I can't tell you, that's probably one of the biggest benefits of this diet is this inflammation in my body has gone down so much. Like I said, I bowled yesterday. I bowled a good 12 games. And I still took the glucosamine and fish oil with it, just be on the safe side. But usually around 12 games, my knee hurt. It's flared up. It hurts. Not bad. It might go to a 1 out of 10, like a 7. But yesterday when I bowled and been on this diet for so long, the pain didn't shoot up to a 7. It shot up to like a 3. It wasn't bad at all. And then I'm trying to realize why my knee felt so much better. It's because of that diet. I'm doing a little research on it, and it's more, I guess, because the more fats you eat, it doesn't trigger insulin as much, so it's low on a glycemic index. That if it's low on a glycemic index, it doesn't spike insulin so much, and insulin over a period of time will help create inflammation. So I'm guessing that since I keep my insulin levels low, inflammation in my body has been low as well. But it's been so low. Like this shirt here, this was tight on me back in the day. Now the clothes is really loose on me now. So I think I lost more than 10 pounds, but I'm losing more inches than anything. But this diet has been great so far. So I do these video reviews to keep people motivated to do it. My update, how I feel about everybody is different, but these are my results on the diet. This information has been so little information, and the diet is not hard to do. It's just been great so far. So if anybody's interested in doing keto, I have a link to a ebook you can download and you learn more about keto. But keto is a very easy diet. It's not hard once you start doing it, but it's been great ever since. I'm feeling better. I'm losing weight. Inflammation in my body's gone down. I'm not as hungry. I eat 2 meals a day now. Like, I get up in the morning, don't feel hungry. I spend less money on food. Come out buying all the junk food no more. Don't save money on that. And I'm eating better. I'm eating more vegetables now, more avocados, more spinach, more mushrooms. I'm eating better vegetables as well, because you can eat a salad and put chicken. You can put grilled chicken or fried chicken in it. You can put bacon in it. You can put blue cheese in it. So, and those salads taste good. On a regular diet, you can't put no meat on it. It's like that's straight lettuce and greens, and I want some taste to it. So I can throw bacon in there. I can throw avocados and chicken in there, and I can throw some salami if I want in there. It's all 0 carbs. So it's all about carbohydrates and sugar intake. So that's the biggest thing I saw with this diet. But again, my last couple videos, I had a black ring because I gained so much weight and I couldn't put the ring on So I bought another ring from Amazon, a little cheap ring that was a size up because I gained so much weight. But now I can wear my original wedding ring now every day because I lost some weight. And the good thing about this diet is I'm not gaining no weight. Sometimes you get the same cell or the weight burn, the weight loss, but I look at it as, okay, I'm not gaining weight neither. And that's the problem that the people have, that you go on a diet, and as soon as you have a cheat meal or get off for a couple of days, you gain 2 pounds. This diet, I don't see no weight loss as fast as I thought it would be, but I'm not gaining weight neither. So that's my problem, is gaining weight. The way I'm losing is staying off. I'm not keeping it on. So this is my update, my keto diet so far. It's been going wonderful so far. Last night I ate avocado. I fried some bacon. I used the bacon grease to throw mushrooms in there. And I used that bacon grease to season the mushrooms. And I had some chicken left over, ate that. And that was my dinner. And that kept me full till the next day. I skipped breakfast. Now it's lunchtime. And I'll bring me a little snack for lunch. So, yeah, I love this diet so far. It's been the easiest diet to follow. And I know my body feels like eating carbs and sugar. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I've been doing this diet for so long. Why would I throw all the way just eat some ice cream? That I know after a while, I'm not going to feel good eating it. So, yeah, that's my review. Just think of anything else I can think of on top of my head that's been beneficial. I don't think of anything right now. Just the hunger's going down a bunch. A bunch of hunger's going down. I'm not as hungry. I'm not spending as less money. When like me and my wife go out to shopping, we're not spending as much money. We're shopping less because we're not spending as much money anymore. So it's been great. It's been really good, really good. It's been a good thing so far. I have no complaints. Do I miss sugar? Not really. Do I want rice? No, because we went out with our friends, with some friends yesterday. My wife's friends yesterday, with this chain restaurant, and I it's full of rice and carbs and white rice. I'm like, the fried rice. I'm like, it tastes good, but that Chinese food, I mean, after 2 hours, you're hungry again. You're hungry and you're tired. So it was like, I didn't eat the white rice, and they ate it, and then one of them was getting tired. I'm sleepy. After we left, I'm feeling sleepy. That was probably the carbs, pretty much, that hit you. And then you get full fast, and then you're hungry all over again. So it's kind of like, I don't miss the rice because I get full really quick, and I get sleepy, and I don't feel like doing anything and lazy and stuff like that. So, yeah. So that's my update for my keto diet. Love to hear your thoughts on keto, how long you've been doing it, your benefits. Everybody's benefits are different. So this is Ty for TheXKing.com, and thanks for watching.